Imagine the Sanya X1000 gliding smoothly through the cityscape, its sleek body reflecting the lights of towering skyscrapers. In the first image, the motorcycle is captured in a side view, the streamlined shape of the body exuding both sophistication and raw power. The gleaming black and chrome design stands out against the modern urban backdrop, bathed in soft, twilight hues that accentuate every curve of the bike. Next, a close-up shot focuses on the powerful engine, the heart of the Sanya X1000. The intricate engineering is highlighted by the meticulous detailing of the metallic components. The image captures the essence of its strength and reliability, ready to conquer any road with unwavering vigor. Switching angles, we see the front view of the motorcycle, the aggressive yet elegant headlights cutting through the shadows. The sharp lines of the front fairing give it an air of relentless speed, while the advanced lighting system promises clarity and safety during night rides. In another shot, the rear angle reveals the robust exhaust and the intricately designed taillights. The rear wheel, combined with the sleek lines of the tail section, speaks of the bike's agility and elegance. The consistency of the lighting ensures the shadows fall perfectly, giving the image a realistic yet polished look. Finally, we transition to a scenic mountainous road. The Sanya X1000 is seen leaning into a sharp turn, highlighting its exceptional handling and performance. The scenic backdrop of towering peaks and winding roads complements the motorcycle's spirit of adventure and freedom. The overall series of images provide a blend of urban sophistication and adventurous thrill, perfectly showcasing the multifaceted nature of the Sanya X1000. These 4K images are designed to captivate viewers, drawing them into the world of the Sanya X1000 and portraying it as not just a motorcycle, but an experience waiting to be discovered.